Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking up a classic southern dish that's perfect for any occasion, the Kentucky hot brown. Trust me, this one's going to be a crowd pleaser. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Let's begin with our bread. I like to slice it into thick, hearty slices. Next, we're going to slice our tomato. It's really a matter of preference whether you like it thin or thick. Now we'll beat one egg. We're gonna cook up our bacon next. Get it nice and crispy. Wait, what's with the bug? Cameraman must have gotten a little distracted. But hey, sometimes you see some things outdoors that are interesting. Now, back to the show. We're gonna cook our bacon till it's nice and crispy and golden brown, then remove and set it aside. Let's start with the Mornay sauce. It's a simple cheese sauce that really takes this dish to the next level. First, melt half a cup of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in half a cup of flour to form a roux. Let this cook for a couple minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Next, slowly add 3 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens, about 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Don't forget to taste it to make sure it tastes just right. Now stir in half a cup of grated Parmesan. And don't forget to add in your egg. Remove from heat and add in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. On to making our toast. I like to drizzle olive oil over the top to ensure that it has a nice brown, crispy crust. Now that it's nicely toasted, it'll hold up better when we put things on it. Traditionally, the bacon is left whole, but we're going outside of the boundaries here and giving it a rough chop. Now on to my favorite part, assembling the hot browns. Start by placing down 2 slices of toasted bread. Next, pile on thick slices of roasted turkey. Lay down those big, juicy tomato slices. Hit it up with that salt and pepper. Now generously spoon that Mornay sauce over the tomatoes. How much you add is your personal preference. Some people like it completely covered, but I like it a little less messy. Now go ahead and top it with 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Typically you'd put these under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes, but since I don't have one outside, I'm using a camp torch. Hey, gotta use what you got. These are looking amazing. Now the final touch, crispy bacon. And if you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of paprika is just perfect. And there it is. This is the ultimate comfort food. The richness of the Mornay sauce, the smoky bacon, the juicy tomatoes, It all comes together so perfectly. You've got to try this recipe. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor cooking adventures. Drop a comment below with your favorite Southern dish. Until next time, happy cooking.
Super duper good.
Super, super, duper, duper good.
It's so good.